Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lip sync not matching audio on OpenArt. So if your lip sync is not matching the audio in this platform, it's usually caused by timing mismatch, low quality audio inputs, or weak facial animation tracking. So actually guys, first you will need to use clean and clear audio, and that's the most important because the bad audio will give you bad lip sync. So you will need to use a clear voice recording, like no background noise, and a single speaker only, like only you, or a voice generated by another AI, for example by 11 Labs, or a consistent volume level, and also no music or effects and their voice, and avoid the echo and the reverb, and also multiple voices overlapping and low bitrate or distorted audio. And also guys, you will need to match the audio length to video, so the lip sync breaks when timing is off. So you will need to trim the audio so it matches video duration exactly, and avoid extra silence at start and the end, and don't stretch or compress audio too much. Also guys, I'm going to talk about the prompt or the description of your video right here below. So here you will need to, or you should, to write prompts that clearly indicates speech, including speaking or talking. Also, you will need to mention the lip movement synchronized with speech and natural facial expressions. Alright, so you all need to mention that or to include that in your prompt. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.